In this video, you will learn how to add percentage to a number in Microsoft Excel. Currently, you can see here I have 3 column data. First column shows the price or values. Second one shows the increase in price, and third one shows the final price. For example, in this case, you can see here initial price was 180, and then there was a 50% increase in this price, and the final price was 270. In this video, you will learn how to add percentage to a number in Microsoft Excel. Let's start this video without further delay. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data. To save time, firstly select the cell where you want to display the result. I will select this one, click here. Now after that, put equal sign. Select initial price, type plus sign, parenthesis, then again select this value, multiplication sign, add percentage, select percentage value, and close the parenthesis. I will repeat this one, put equal sign, the initial price plus parenthesis, initial price multiplied by increase percentage. After that, close the parenthesis and press enter key. Now you can see here this is the final price. After that, select the cell. You don't need to apply the formula for individual rows. Simply select this cell where you have already applied the formula. Place your cursor at the corner. When plus sign appear, drag it down. Now you can observe that we have successfully added percentage to the numbers. You don't need to apply the formula for individual rows. So that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.